If you want to give a test to a group, you need to first create the testing sessions and then create the students and assign them to those tests. So the first thing you want to go is up to testing, test session management, and go ahead and say add session. So we'll just call this one, I usually put the date in. So if we wanted this to be for April 19th, I might write April 19th listening. Okay, so we'll just keep it at the grade 1 here, just for demo purposes, and it's already on listening. So I have in the date, the name of the test, the grade 1 summative, and then listening. I do not need to add the date and the time down here, so just click save. Okay, and now I come back here again to test session management. Okay, and you can see automatically it shows up down here. So I want to add now the writing session. So I'm going to call that April 19 writing. Keep it at the grade 1 to 2 summative and switch to writing. And then go ahead and press save. It's a little bit tedious, but as long as you go in order and stay organized, it works out okay. Okay, so now I want to go into add session. Okay, we'll call this one April 19th reading now is the last test. Select reading and go ahead and press save. I'm not creating a speaking test. That is created automatically in the system. Okay, so now I want to go and create students that I would add to this session. So I'm going to add student. So for example, I could say, John Smith, and we'll say grade 1. You don't need to put in the student ID or birth date or gender. If you have that information, certainly you can go ahead and select that. Okay, so I have all the information. I'll click save. And then once you save it, it gives you an option to assign a test form. So from here, I will select administer in new existing group, and automatically these options will pop up for you. Okay, and if there's any other options, they will show up as well. But in this case, for the grade 1 to 2 summative, we have just the ones we just created. Okay, so we have the summative writing task, task 1, the existing group, listening, writing, and reading, and then you click save. Okay, and then you just go as many students as you need to add. So we can say add a student. The student's name we'll say is John Doe. Okay, first grade, same thing, and then we'll click save. So again, exactly the same process. Assign the test form, enter existing group, and you just quickly select from the section you already just created and press save.